Hello, this is day 7 of the 14. Okay, now in this movie, I'm Johanna Donna Kleipool. You know it already, I think, and I'm going to explain now in this video what our energy fields look like. The basis of these fields is a tetrahedron. A tetrahedron, tetra is 4, hedron is sides. It has 4 triangles, 1 at the basis and 3 on each side. And this is the most simple third-dimensional form that exists. Our energy fields consist of 1 with the point up and at the same time 1 with the point down. And it looks like this. Oh, you see myself. I'm joking, I'm playing. Okay, so you see here these fields. In the video series Master Your Energy, I'm telling you a lot about all these fields and how to work with them and how to clean them, because the same as we go physically to the bathroom, we have all the time charges that we want to or have to eliminate. But energetically also, we have to clean ourselves all the time. Yeah, and through all the experiences we have gone through in life, the fields got deformed. Through all the shocks, the emotional shocks, the mental shocks, all the happenings all around us, and these fields get deformed. In the workshop that I give, as from now I will be giving workshops again. If you want me to give a workshop somewhere in your country or in your place, you may invite me, and if possible, when possible, I will come. With pleasure, I love it. But okay, that is a side way. The deformed energy fields have to be restored, and I teach you how to do it. Often we do it in private sessions or in the workshops or in the movies. You can learn it in several ways. You can also learn it from the books of Drunvalo Melchizedek, The Ancient Secret of the Flower of Life, and Living in the Heart. So if you succeed in doing it alone, be happy. But I've made this video series because I learned that many people can't only understand the concepts from the books, because people get their own images and they are often totally wrong, unfortunately. That is why I made this video series. In the workshop, in the private session, and in on several occasions, we make an analysis of these energy fields so that you really can know what has happened. I can read a drawing that each one has made of his energy fields, and I can tell you a lot of your life and of your youth, what has happened and what happened to your mother, what happened to your father, and so on. Yes, so we really get deformed field. It is not the worst thing in the world, because you can correct it. You can make them whole and complete again. And once they are whole and complete, you are whole and complete on all levels. And that is also a big benefit, of course. So go and have a look at the videos. The first 4 videos I have given for free, plus the 2 of the introduction. They were already free. But now I am giving them to everybody, and so you can learn already all about your energy fields and how to put them in order and where are they and what is the size and what is this and that, all the details, and start playing with it yourself. Look at the website, it's here up in the logo. Bye bye.